intention of tonight was to drink as much water as I could, and induce hiccups, and film a video to be the first video I post on Patreon. That was not what ended up happening. Sort of. I was expecting my body to react differently, I guess. But instead of the goal of slushy hiccups, my stomach's just really tight, and it's made the hiccups a lot quieter, and I stopped when it started making me nauseous, so that this is what we're getting instead. I don't know if you guys prefer when I talk versus when I don't. So I'm gonna talk for a little bit longer. Jesus. And then I'm gonna just film in silence after that. And so you guys can watch whichever part of the video you prefer. That means I need a topic to talk about. I don't know how good the audio quality is right now. I mean, using a headphone instead of the mic. Instead of the mics I normally use. Because I don't feel like using my mics. Because how they work is they plug into my phone's charging spot, and I have ADHD, which for me means I have a tendency to let my phone get to really low battery before I charge it. So I want to be able to film for a while, and that's not gonna happen if my phone's not plugged in, which it can't be if I use the mics. So audio quality isn't as good as normal. I don't know if it's that good normally anyway. Anyway, I think I'm gonna talk until the 10-minute mark, and then put the mic slash headphone on my stomach after that. Maybe less than 10 minutes. I need something to talk about. I wish I had a better way to keep the camera steady, because it's rested on my chest, which means I can't really film the harder hiccups well, because the camera jolts with it. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys' thoughts on that are. Would you prefer to keep it how it is with some of the camera movement, or if I tried to find a more steady way to film? Fuck. I hope the audio isn't too annoying. I feel like I'm breathing on the mic a lot. I guess we'll see. I'm almost at the 10-minute mark, and I still haven't found something good to talk about. I just started talking about how I'm making this. I don't know if that's what you guys want. So I'm gonna try and talk normally and pretend I don't have these for the last minute before I stop talking. My day was pretty normal. Nothing really exciting happened. I didn't do anything interesting. I had to go to the store to get some stuff, and I got a lemonade that I really didn't need to get, but I did. And then I checked it in the parking lot, which was fun. I don't really drive. I tend to bike a lot, so it was good to have liquid, even if I probably should have done Gatorade or water. Anyway, focus and be silent for a little bit. Well, as silent as I can be with hiccups. to do 10 minutes of silence after 10 minutes of talking. But these are really starting to hurt my chest and throat a bit. So I'm gonna end this here and cure them. So sorry if you were preferring the silence. I have a lot of videos where I don't talk, so go watch those again.